Hi everyone, Deb here. I am bringing you Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary's You Rock Art, but this week I don't have a coloring page. I have two cards to share with you. So recently from scrapbook.com I had hauled these two woodware little gnome stamps and I wanted to use one of them. Um, Now woodware is no longer in business, so a lot of their stamps are already sold out, and when they're gone, which is unfortunate because they're very good quality stamps. So anyway, I used this one with the little bird houses and birds, three of them, and I didn't use, well, yes, I did. I used the two sentiments too. Happiness is holding a bird. I just really like birds. I also used Happy Mother's Day. This is a card for my daughter. We both like to fill our bird feeders and bird baths and watch the birds out our windows and things. So here's the card I made for her. So this paper is retired Stampin' Up! Paper. I'm trying to see if I still have it. Yes, I do. It was called Flight and Airy. It was in Celebration in 2024, and it didn't have a specific coordinating stamp set, although they did have some bird stamp sets. But I thought, how perfect would that be? Because I colored the image first, and I sort of remembered seeing this paper the other day when I was looking through. Now, this image is pretty big. I could not find dies. Like, I wanted an oval, but I don't have any ovals bigger than the image and wider than the image was part of the problem. So I decided to go ahead and do this, which was the contour something dies from Stampin' Up. This is actually the back of a different sheet of the paper out of that pack. And this is boho blue cardstock, all Stampin' Up except the stamp. And I colored it in with Stampin' Up's what do you call those things? Stampin' Blends, alcohol markers. I think I forgot to color his arm. I didn't realize that was his arm till just now. Oopsie. Probably color it like a sleeve, the same color as this blue, maybe. Maybe I'll just color it the color of his hand. Anyway, sorry about that. I just noticed that. Wow, that's bad. So I have little bluebirds. At first I thought there were only two, and then I saw one in its hand, and this could be mistaken for a pocket, but there's no other hand here, so that's his hand holding this little bird. And the sentiment is, I have a little dot on there, happiness is holding a bird. And then inside, I just really like birds. Happy Mother's Day. And I know that might sound a little weird for a Mother's Day card to some, but I'll write a special note in it and it's meaningful to the two of us. So that is my first card. And the second card is from my oldest granddaughter who is at university. And I, I've been making that strawberry book, right? Straw BEAR book. And I've been using a Stamps by Me paper. And I had this, where'd it go? Stamp set in here that I hadn't used yet. So I brought out the paper and I also used this and the You're So Sweet, but I needed it to also say congratulations somewhere because the whole reason I wanted to send her this is because I wanted to congratulate her on something and also thank her for letting me come up and see her um, home that she's living in now with her roommates and stuff like that. So on the inside, I use out of this A Grandkid, so smart, so fun, so sweet, and so wonderful. And also the congratulations. And, I was looking all over during my strawberry book for this stamp set because I said I have the punch, but I don't have the stamp set. I already had it out somewhere on my floor. I straightened up a little bit this morning. Amazing what you'll find when you straighten up. This is the stamp set that goes with the punch. I have I haven't been as good about this lately, but I have a color code, and yellow means has coordinating punch. So yeah, so here's the card. Um, I colored in the gnome with alcohol markers, Stampin' Ups also. I also use a little bit of glitter pen. See on the, I put the dots on the inside of the flowers. When I was out in Pittsburgh, we went to a conservatory there, and she commented it twice, I think, that she really liked some orange flowers there. So I thought, well, I'll just color the flowers orange then. I know the flowers that go with strawberries are probably white, according to the paper, and according to the sample here, wherever I just put it there. However, I made them the way I wanted to. And I, I wasn't, I was thinking I should have made the hat red also because it has dots like a strawberry. But anyway, so this strawberry, I went to that, this set, and lo and behold, I have some pre-stamped and colored and die cut images. Now I believe some, or fussy cut images, I believe some of those were out of a coordinating paper, including this one, but this is out of the punch, and it was in white cardstock, and I just colored it with the same Granny Apple Green I used there. That's bumped up on dimensionals. The You're So Sweet is bumped up. I used the deckled rectangles from Stampin' Up and the deckled circles. These are both papers out of that, I can never remember this, Stamps by Me Berry Fresh paper pack. And on the inside, I didn't write anything yet. I did the So Smart, So Fun, So Sweet, and So Wonderful, and then Congratulations in a green. And I'm half afraid to, I might ruin it. I might stamp a little strawberry. I'm thinking of finding those little strawberry clay sequins. I don't know, I might just put some red blingy gems on here instead. And that still feels a little weird there. Anyway, okay, so those are my two cards. You're So Sweet. They're both gnomes. And this I got separately, so how about that? Yeah, You're So Sweet. Why am I? Let me move you up a little bit. There's my two cards. And I am sharing this on Monday, the 12th, which is the day after Mother's Day. And I don't think my oldest granddaughter watches my YouTube videos. And I'm not titling it, card for my granddaughter or anything, so she probably won't see this before she gets it anyway. I hope not. So, yeah. And you know who you are, granddaughter? Yeah. So, if you're watching, stop. Anyway, and my daughter, I'm recording this on Thursday, and no, Friday, excuse me. My granddaughter will get this on Saturday. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope those of you who are mothers of any kind, pet mothers, stepmothers, mothers, grandmothers, I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.